What up, ecom bosses? How you doing today? So I'm actually not going to go on my big case study today, but I want to tell you guys something that happened to me yesterday that could really happen to you if you implement this one thing that I'm going to teach you in e-commerce or like any businesses for that matter, because this is like huge. I made $500 yesterday in literally less than 10 minutes, and it was all due to this one thing. Okay, and this is, it's a beautiful thing, especially if you know how to use it and how to implement it. And I'm going to show you this right now. Okay, so this is what happened. A month ago, I ran an influencer ad. The influencer ad did pretty well. Okay, I had a bunch of sales and a bunch of no sales. So I had people opt in and almost buy the product, right? They went through the initiation, the checkout process, and they didn't actually purchase. What they did was they left the entire store. But what I did do was collect their email. And the beauty of collecting someone's email is not just to have their email for every once in a while sending them an email. You want to consistently and constantly be in front of this customer's face, no matter what, if they bought or if they didn't buy, okay? If they get pissed off if they didn't buy and you keep sending them emails, they'll unsubscribe. That's all I need to do is just unsubscribe. Oh, speaking of which, subscribe to the channel. It'd mean a lot to me. Awesome, guys. Okay, so all you need to do is unsubscribe. So you don't need to worry about pissing anyone off because it's not going to happen. They'll be okay. All right. So you want to be constantly and consistently in front of your dream customer, sending them emails of discounts, sending them emails of testimonials, and sending them emails of and sending them emails of like going to your Facebook page to build credibility. Okay. Because the one thing that people don't buy from you is because they don't trust you. They don't know you, you're not credible or anything, okay? So what the emails do is progressively make this person trust you more and more and more. So I'm getting to the point here about how I made $500 in just 10 minutes yesterday, right? So about 5 days ago, I had an email of a customer and she said, hey, I just saw that you sent me an email for the supplements. Are these supplements good? Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, yeah, the supplements are really, really good. I actually recommend them. I take them myself. They're amazing. One of them's right here. I freaking take this stuff every day. If you want to see the other ones right here, take this every day as well. But I asked her, she asked me, she said that, are these supplements good? Like, how much should I take it first? You know, blah, blah, blah. I explained the entire thing to her. She trusted me, so she bought one bottle, right? But that wasn't it. I have a couple more supplements that I sell people, right? So I further her down the path, and about 5 days later, she called me and she wanted my large package of supplements. Or she didn't call me, she emailed me. And what I did before is I've had 3 of these so far. I've had 3 $500 in 10-minute spans so far. But I've had like 6 or 7 people contact me, right? Saying that they're very interested and they were ready to pull out their credit card. They just had like a 1 question or 2 questions. So I said, okay, so in the past, I sent them emails. And I was asking them, okay, it's really good. Trust me on this one. You could go buy it right now. I'll send it to you right away. And then people didn't buy it. So yesterday I was like, screw it. I said, give me your phone number. I'm gonna call you and tell you exactly how this package is gonna help you, how this package is gonna benefit your life, and how it's gonna make you a better person overall. And she's like, yeah, I'm all for it. I work from home, like just give me a call right now. So I gave her a call, and in 10 minutes, guys, in literally 10 minutes, I closed the entire deal for a $500 offer. Some lady that didn't even buy from me in the first place, guys. She literally didn't buy from me in the first place. Gave me $500. Now, I know that influence that I put out there before, I literally made money off of, okay? So I made money off this influencer, probably a couple $100, but reality, I made plus 500 yesterday. Because I called her and I closed the deal, sent her the links afterwards to her phone number. She's like, I'll fill it out right now, filled it out. $500 went into my bank account. I'm a college student. I go to full-time class. Guys, that's like a 40-hour work week at a $12 an hour job. I mean, in 10 freaking minutes. Imagine if I could do that every single step of the way, but you can too. And so can I, and we're both getting there. All right? You just gotta consistently and constantly build credibility with your dream customer through an email campaign that you need to do. If you don't know how to do it, it's a separate video. I'm not gonna get into it now. Maybe you can even look at someone else's YouTube because that's like very technical. It's kind of annoying to have to do. But once you do it, it takes like about an hour. Once you do it, it's set for good. Like once you get the thing going, it's good for, it's like, it just keeps on running, right? So don't be afraid of setting it up because it's really needed. It made me $500 and actually it made me $1,500 in the long span because this happened before where people wanted my large package too. But you consistently and constantly build credibility and make offers to your dream customer, and eventually, maybe it's a couple months down the road, you're gonna make money from the person that you've been sending emails to because now they trust you and now they like you. And even better, if you have a really large package, give them a call. Because when you give them a call, they're more likely to buy from you because now they really know that you're a person, that you're trustworthy, you can be conversational with them, really get to know them and then sell them, okay? So that's the beauty of emails. If you don't do emails yet, I really highly recommend it because you can send abandoned cart emails, you can send new offer emails, you can send just credibility emails. And really, what I'm asking you to do right now is like and subscribe the video and comment your questions below. So I'm here to answer them. Just have a good day. Let's kill it in the ecom game.